สวัสดีค่ะ Hello everyone, I'm all Thai in the United States. I just very excited to tell you. I look on YouTube. There are many videos that talk about this product many years ago. And I just know this product. This is the first item I got from Burlington Coat Factory.The price less than $10. I don't remember. The cream was, because it's empty jar, yellow cream. I like it. It is night cream. I like using cream. I don't like lotion that in liquid. I like cream thick, but not really thick too dry. I like thick.Body cream. I use body cream mixed with body oil. Okay, that is the cream that I like. Good cream for me. All brand easy to absorb to the skin and make skin soft. This one I try to get online because I haven't been to the store long time. I check on eBay, nothing. I check on their website.Out of stock. Then I look for other one. I got this one, night cream, snow mushroom night cream. I have problem with perfume, so this one is fine to me because I don't feel any irritating on my system. Like many things, perfume.Very softly, like flower, fragrance, not strong, but they are too strong for me. This one, I can smell very little, fine. This one, day cream. This one, day cream, come in this box. Ta-da! Pretty package.Good price. Very good price. I'm not spend much in brand because I had experience. I'm allergic to many brands perfume. Then I don't care much about brand. What I care is I can use them without irritating as sensitive skin, badly sensitive.It come with travel tube. This is day cream come together. And another one is not Vivo, is Sea-Bar Med. Smell not really strong. Fine to me. The cream is thick and absorb well. I like both of them now.Vivo and this. Talk about Vivo. At first, I try to look for original country because I personally don't want to purchase product made in China. But I know many things made in China. I mean cosmetic product because I had experienced some product made in China are not good. And I saw the news. They are fake. They copy the brand and produce product that not good to skin. And then this one, I could not see any information which country, but I guess from the word which I cannot read. Maybe from France, but it's not. I found later. I cannot read what the word means because I can't read the language. I only read Netherlands. And then I said, it's okay, made in China, maybe same as other products, OEM, that hiring factory outside the country, but their ingredient. So I just ignore that made in China. And when I use them, the first jar I used all, and I really like the cream. Some of you, if you expected that I'm gonna tell you about product and I didn't. I'm so sorry. Just I really happy with that product. I'm very happy with that product. I can hold 3 of them. Vivo Per Lei. You should try by yourself. Purchase online. They have website in the United States, I guess. I don't know. I have no idea at all. Where are the factory, office, wherever? Oh, I know. Made in China. Thank you for listening and watching my video. Have a great day. Bye.